Tape colors. The only two tapes I ever use will be a buff color or a black, because that tape, the color of anything that's around this, is going to affect everything in the painting. So I put it down, that's neutral, it's not going to interfere with my color choices for the painting. However, if I have something beside it, like a blue tape, like this color, this brilliant blue is going to affect how my mind and my eye perceives the painting. So I do not use colored tape.